Hello, my name is Fuad Dinebi. I'm an electrical engineer and I specialize in general electrical installation and maintenance services. This includes domestic installation, uh, CCTV systems, AC installations and maintenance, surveillance system, as I've said, and again, solar power system. We also do the electric wire fence installation and all smart access control systems. I deal with them. So here's a structure located in Yaounde, around Mendong too, and I had these clients who called me up and to come and do some amendment on what had been previously done. So I'll walk you in and show you what we've done so far and how we started, how the work was being done and what we have done so far as changes. Follow me along and see what has been done. So at the frontage we have these four wall lamps. You see, they are actually five at the front of the house. It's a similar structure with this one, but the lighting system is going to be completely different. And here we'll be having an intercom, we'll be having an electric wire fence, we'll be having CCTV, and as well as solar power system. So those are the features of this house. So follow me along and see what we have done so far. So here we have our junction box, whereby the main power grid will have to pass through this box before going inside the house. So we don't have a situation, we don't want a situation whereby cables will be running in the air. So everything is going to be on the ground and it's going to be clean. So the intercom is going to pass through that man. Even the CCTV system, we're going to have all the cables going through there into the house. So we are at the main entrance of the house, and here the initial conduit work that was done, I wouldn't say it was really done by a professional, but we just had to come and do the amendment. And the only solution was to do the underground work, as you've seen. So here at the main entrance, we're having control to the outdoor. That's the security lamps. We'll be having control to the dining because it's just beside, and they will be having another control to the dining too. So, but on this side, this is the living room. We have power points everywhere around the walls. So we have two, as you see, to make power provisions for every single point where one finds comfort. So we have another one here. So you see the main power will have to run through these pipes. So these pots, this will have the central control point. Everything is going to be controlled here. So this is our fuse panel. So everything is going to be here. So this is what we've done so far as changes is concerned. We'll be having wall lamps on this side, on this side too, and all the walls in the living room have got spotlights, a center lamp and wall lamps with an air condition. Same with the dining. So all our cups are being installed with standards. Height of sockets 40 cm, height of switch 120, height of switch 120 centimeters. That's the standard height for both switching and power points. So this is the kitchen. Provision for microwave, blender, extractor, and power point for fridge and any other appliance which needs power. So I'll walk you upstairs to quickly show you what we've done. So the power is going to run from here straight up to the upper floor. So actually, initially, this stuff were not being done. So they just dropped those pipes on the first decking, and everything up here, we had to do it back from scratch. So we have this, we have a wall arm there, another one here, we have another one, lamps overhead here, the corridor. So we're having push buttons, 3, one at the room 1, another room 2, then the master's push, then a switch to the veranda, to the balcony, and the balcony also have 2 lamps. So that is it. We are the master's room now. Okay, this is how the bed is going to be laid. So the master room have 2 side sockets. It has an air condition. It has other spots to control the lighting system, and another 2 sockets at the side for a TV or any other gadget. Then the opposite wall provision again for other gadgets and the socket. Then the wardrobe, we have a light to the wardrobe. Inside the wardrobe, we've got 2 sockets. They could use one for heating, or if the cupboard needs to have light, maybe the LED lights, we've made provision for it, and it's going to be controlled with a switch. And then in the toilet, we've got the water heater and the normal lighting to the toilet. So that's the socket up there. So the last one, which I'll quickly show you, not really the last, but here is one of the rooms. Similar, there are 2, and I will just make a sample of this, which you can project to the other. We have this 2 socket opposite to the bed for TV, and we've got the bed is going to be laid like this. We have 2 side sockets. We have 2 wall lamps. We have a switch here and the sockets. It goes same with the other room. The very same thing. The very same thing here. Opposite wall and air condition. And lastly, we have this toilet, visitor toilet. So here, this toilet is going to be actually used to by the other 2 rooms, and it's going to have a water heater too. All the heaters are going to be instant water heaters. So it's being controlled from here. And here we have the mirror lamp. We have a socket at the side in case you want to plug for any gadget, for shaving or heating, coiling hair, whatsoever. So we have that socket too for water heater. And so that's what we've done so far. We'll actually be coming back for the cable work, but they'll have to do the plastering first before we come again to do the cable work. Thank you.